Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to stop loss on Coinbase. And it's quite simple, and I will show you exactly why. Because first of all, what we need to do is select here a coin that we want to trade in. So let's do Solana to USD. And then right here, what we're gonna do is we click here on buy, click on limit, and then select here the price that we want to create for this limit order. So right now it's standing on 79.80, so this is fine. Select here the amount that you want to use to create your position. Then after that, we click here on take profit stop loss. And then from there, it's quite simple because we just only fill in right here the stop loss. So let's say when he will decrease, what we're gonna do, 2% or 12 is fine. It's just an example. And we want to remove this, so we do 0. And then right now we just create a stop loss for this trade. So I don't have any money on my account, but if you now click here on buy order, we can create this order for our trade. So this is how you can stop loss on Coinbase. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.